Oh, grow, rise again. Oh, Tigray, my land so bold, your children's blood, your story told. Through the darkness, we still fight, for your glory will bring the light. Our martyrs' dreams, they won't decay. We'll rise again, come what may. No more division, no more pain. Tigray, our home, will rise again. Tigray, don't bow down. Your dawn will wear the golden crown. Through the night we'll hold you near. Your children rise, your time is here. Leaders fail, they let us fall, but we'll stand tall, we'll heed the call. No foreign hand will rule our fate. We'll break the chains, it's not too late. Oh, youth, arise, your heart so strong. Reject the war where we've been wrong. Organize, unite the flame. Lift Tigray's flag, reclaim her name. Tigray, don't bow down. Your dawn will wear the golden crown. Through the night we'll hold you near. Your children rise, your time is here. No more war, no more cries. A future bright beneath our skies. We'll build a home, free and true. Oh, Tigray, this we vow to you. No more cries, a future bright